Top 5 high-income skills you can learn for free. What if I told you that you could learn skills that can earn you thousands of dollars? And you don't need a college degree or even any prior experience. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In today's world, there are high-income skills that you can learn completely for free. And by mastering just one of them, you can unlock a lifetime of financial freedom. But the catch? You have to act now because these skills are in high demand. And the longer you wait, the more competition you'll face. Stick around until the end and I'll share the one skill that can literally change your life. Ready? Let's jump in. The power of high-income skills. Before we dive into the top 5 skills, let's talk about why high-income skills are so important. We live in an age where traditional jobs just aren't cutting it anymore. The future belongs to those who can offer real value to businesses, clients, and individuals. And guess what? Those people are paid handsomely for their skills. You don't need a fancy degree, an expensive course, or years of experience. All you need is the willingness to learn and the determination to master a high-income skill. The best part? You can start today for free. Wait, what? You're telling me I can make serious money and I don't need to spend thousands on a degree? Yes, exactly. 1. Copywriting. The skill that pays you to write. First up is copywriting, the art of writing persuasive text that drives action. If you're good with words, this could be your ticket to a high-income lifestyle. Good copywriters can earn $50,000, $100,000, even $200,000 plus per year, just by writing emails, landing pages, or ad copy. Here's the kicker. You don't need to have a degree in English or communications. There are endless resources online that can teach you how to craft compelling copy that sells. You can start with free resources on sites like Copyblogger or Udemy, and in no time, you'll be writing copy that pays you. Still not convinced this is for you? Wait till I tell you about the next skill that can earn you big bucks without any prior experience. 2. Digital marketing, the skill that fuels businesses. Next is digital marketing. Think about it. In 2025, every business needs marketing, whether it's through Google Ads, social media campaigns, or email marketing. If you can learn how to drive traffic and convert it into sales, you've got a skill in high demand. And the best part? You can learn digital marketing for free through platforms like Google Skillshop and HubSpot Academy. You don't need to pay for expensive ads to get started. In fact, some of the world's best digital marketers started by running their own campaigns for free. You can do the same. Now, you might be thinking, but that sounds complex. Where do I even begin? Trust me, it's simpler than you think. And I'll break it down for you. 3. Web development. Create your own future. Let's talk about web development. Whether you want to build websites, apps, or entire digital platforms, web development is a high-demand skill with endless opportunities. Did you know you can start building websites from scratch with no previous experience and earn top dollar for your work? You don't need to go back to college for years. Websites like Free Code Camp and Codecademy offer free resources to learn how to code, build websites, and even create mobile apps. By mastering web development, you can create your own business or work for clients and earn a steady income. And guess what? Web development isn't just about coding. There's a specific niche within it that's earning developers huge salaries. Stick around for that revelation. 4. Video editing. The skill behind every viral content. Video editing is another skill that has exploded in demand, especially with the rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. If you've ever wanted to create content that goes viral, video editing is the key. You don't need fancy software or equipment to get started. There are free tools like DaVinci Resolve and Shotcut that can help you learn the basics. And brands are paying top dollar for editors who can turn a simple video into something that grabs attention. If you can learn the art of compelling storytelling through editing, you're looking at a skill that can earn you up to $70,000 or more per year. Wait a second, are you saying I can be a paid video editor even without a degree? Yes, and I'll show you how to start with nothing but your laptop and some free software. 5. Graphic design, your creativity, your cash flow. Last but certainly not least is graphic design. Every business needs a brand identity, logos, social media graphics, and much more. If you have a knack for visual creativity, Graphic design can be a lucrative skill to learn. And guess what? You don't need fancy degrees or years of experience to get started. With free tools like Canva, GIMP, and Inkscape, you can learn graphic design from scratch and start earning money by offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Imagine turning your passion for design into a full-time income. Sounds amazing, right? Let me tell you how you can get started today without spending a dime. Turning your new skills into a profitable career. Now that we've covered the top 5 skills, let's talk about how to turn them into a profitable career. The secret is in how you position yourself in the market. By offering high-quality services and building a strong online presence, you can quickly build a reputation and start earning. By mastering any of these 5 skills and focusing on constant improvement, you'll find that your earning potential has no limits. The internet has leveled the playing field, and with the right approach, you can start earning what you deserve. So, which high-income skill are you going to learn today? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with all the latest tips for building wealth in 2025.